Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another income pick. People are rapidly aging around the world, and we don't see this trend reversing anytime soon. This translates to an increasing demand for healthcare services. For a company like Medical Properties Trust, Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol MPW, the strong tailwinds provide opportunities. John?
But yeah, thanks, Mo. Medical Properties Trust was actually founded in 2003 and currently has a market capitalization of about 2.8 billion. So it's not massive, but it's not tiny either. The company owns hospitals and other healthcare facilities in 31 US states, 7 European countries, and South America. In total, it owns 441 properties with a total worth of about $19 billion. By asset type, general acute care hospitals account for the majority of its portfolio at close to 64%. That's followed by behavioral health facilities, inpatient rehabilitation hospitals, long-term acute care hospitals, and freestanding emergency room / urgent care facilities.
Let's talk numbers. How is this company doing financially?
Well, Medical Properties Trust's revenue growth has been pretty impressive, with near doubling from 2018 to its record high in 2021. The company's revenue compound annual growth rate actually for the period from 2018 through 2022 was 18.3%. But analysts expect the trust revenue growth will slow, including in full year 2023. The estimate that Medical Properties Trust will report lower revenue of, I think, 1.34 billion for full year 2023, followed by 1.35 billion in 2024. Now, I expect the company to beat consensus estimates for its revenue in full year 2023, given that its trailing 12-month revenue were 1.37 billion for September. On the bottom line, Medical Properties Trust is a steady producer of profits, including a record high $1.50 per diluted share in 2022. But like the case with its revenue, analysts expect the company's diluted earnings per share to decline in full year 2023 to 37 cents per share before rebounding to 84 cents per share in 2024. Admittedly, its 2023 estimate isn't great, but the improvement in 2024 certainly offers some optimism.
Could you elaborate a little on what's happening with dividends here?
Yeah, Medical Properties Trust, Inc. has paid dividends for 19 consecutive years, but the board cut MPW Stock's December 6th dividend by about 50% as the company continues to work on improving its operations and financial growth. Prior to this, though, the company had hiked its dividends for 10 straight years. Yeah, Medical Property Trust stock's 12.12% dividend yield might seem high at first, but it's resulted in the stock price going down by 57% in 2023 and by a whopping 80% from its all-time high of $24.29 per share in February of 2020. Now, if you look at the company's chart, it shows MPW stock being caught in a nasty downward trend since December 2021, when it was trading at nearly $24 per share. Now, the stock is clearly struggling, but its dividend appears to be safe for now. And hopefully the trust can reduce its high debt, which at the end of September stood at $10.16 billion. The company's buildup in debt was due in part to the expansion of its hospital assets and the cost of operating its vast global network. A plus is that the trust has $340 million in cash and a solid amount of working capital. Now, the debt is a concern, but for now, I think the company will be fine considering its high free cash flow, which was $729 million in 2022. And it's the trust's high free cash flow that allows it to pay dividends and reduces debt.
John, thank you so much for your insight. Medical Properties Trust, Inc. is a great REIT with a strong balance sheet and growing international portfolio. We're not the only ones who think so. Institutional investors continue to back Medical Properties Trust, Inc. As of this recording, 854 institutions hold a 78.4% stake in the outstanding shares. What's also worth watching is the short position on MPW stock. As of November 30th, there were 135.4 million shares shorted, representing about 31.47% of the float, an increase from 130 million on October 12th. The significant short position could drive short covering and buying of Medical Properties Trust stock. Income investors can receive dividends from MPW stock and wait for a potential in its share price. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.